sunny so I could be sticking to your daylight. You got me crushing the